Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that many of you have been asking about. That's right, we're going to dive into the world of earning money from YouTube. If you've ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers make a living, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Eligibility. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Monetization features. YouTube offers various ways to earn money from your videos. These include ads, channel memberships, super chats, and a merchandise shelf. Ads. YouTube places ads before, during, or after your videos, and you receive a share of the revenue generated. Higher views and engagement lead to increased earning potential. Channel memberships. Viewers can become paid members of your channel, gaining access to exclusive content and perks for a monthly fee. Super chats. During live streams, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted in the chat, offering a way to engage with your audience while earning income. Merchandise. You can create and sell custom merchandise featuring your brand or logo, using platforms like Teespring or Spreadshirt for manufacturing and shipping. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your channel grows, companies may approach you for promotional opportunities. Choose brands that align with your content and audience. The video emphasizes the importance of consistency, dedication, and quality content in growing your YouTube channel. By building a loyal audience and exploring monetization options, you can work towards making money from your YouTube endeavors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And as always, keep creating and chasing your dreams. See you in the next video.